it's MILTS-DA-BOSS here, bringing you guys another video. If you guys remember, if you guys watched that video, in the previous video I was playing this new game, it's called Rider, and in that video I said I would bring for you guys another video, so here I am making this video for you guys. So today's video is playing another new game, and it is called, sorry, let me just put this here. Okay. Today's game, it's called Bloons Monkey City. As you saw, if you watched Deadshot Gaming, if you watched his video, he also played Bloons, but there are different kinds of Bloons. So the one that I'm playing today is Bloons Monkey City. So, oh, why? Unfortunately, Monkey City has stopped. Okay, well, I'm gonna go. There we go, in again. There we go. What are you talking about? Didn't stop. Okay, let's get it. Welcome to Bloons Monkey City. Okay, I'm not gonna read all that. Okay, download latest content. Okay, sorry guys, I have to just download this now. Okay, it's going quick at least. Sorry guys, I think when I go in there's gonna be sound, because I might just quickly go to settings and put it off so you guys can at least hear my voice clearly. Okay, 36%, almost there. I get annoyed when when I want to play a game so badly, and then it says it must first download. Hey guys, while I'm waiting for this, let me just say something quick. Please, can you guys subscribe, like this video, and smash that little bell down there below my video. Smash it, please. Okay, well anyway, please go subscribe to Deadshot Gaming 135, Emilio or Like Vlogger, Real X Plays, Fake X Plays, Ben Vlogs, Like a Bossy, and I'm sure that's pretty much it. Yeah. Okay, yeah. That's it. Just please go subscribe to them, watch the videos, like all the videos. It will really mean the world to me. They're all my best friends, so just go subscribe, please. Why is this going so quick? Come on, I don't have all day. 88. Well, anyway guys, I hope you guys are having a fantastic day so far. I mean, I'm having a fantastic day, so I'm hoping you are having a fantastic day. You should always just be smiling, do all your work, just whack that subscribe button, man. Okay, I'm kidding, okay, but yes. It looks like you already have an account with blah 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 blah. No, guys, you see, I already played this game before, but I want to begin all over to show you guys. So if you guys download this game, you guys will know where to begin and what to do. If you're struggling, just come watch my video. You can see what I did wherever you're struggling. So I think that's what I'm going to carry on my first account. So welcome to our awesome new Monkey City. There's lands, okay, whatever. Okay, what must I do? Oh, okay. Looks like I must attack now. Okay, let's go, guys. Sorry, guys, you're gonna hear some music now. Let me just quickly. Next. Okay, let me just play quick what they say. Let me just. Seriously. Come on, it doesn't let me click on the settings. Sorry guys, I'm gonna turn off this music now. This music gets annoying, I know. Just speeding it up a bit. Okay, please can I get into settings? No, it's not letting me. Sorry guys, this music is really annoying. I'm gonna turn it off now, don't you guys worry. Okay, I'm done now. I just wanna go into settings. Okay, let me just collect that. Let me just go there. Let me just do what they're saying first, and then I'll turn off the. So guys. Okay, yeah, let's carry on. I've no idea. Oh, must I click it? Oh, sorry guys, I didn't see that. Something new. Okay, go. Guys, I think I'm gonna make a series of this. So every time you just go watch the next one, and you'll see where I end. I'm not gonna be playing this game off camera. Every time I play this game, I'm gonna record it and post it for you guys. Okay, what must I do? Research, long range upgrade, Build Monkey Academy, capture dry land. I don't know what I'm doing. Capture dry land. Okay, guys, this video is actually gonna be short, so this is guys. I'm gonna just quickly attack once more, and then I'm gonna end today's second video. Let me just quickly put that on there. Okay, let me just speed it up. Guys, if you like this game, go download it. It's called what's it again? No, it's called Bloons Monkey City. Okay, this is gonna be my last attack. Okay guys, I have to end this video. Please remember to subscribe, like this button. Please, I'll make another video later. Peace. Sounds no sound.